was taking how do you create new knowledge from existing knowledge. So if you look at it, that's what we are talking generative AI today. So all this goes back to, as a concept, goes back about 800 years. Quickly, we'll see this history. This is all, just like how I said, how it works, one slide, just one slide on. What is the history? The whole concept has been around for 60 years. If you talk it as a discipline, artificial intelligence, it's been around. Most of it, or everybody acknowledges, it all traces back to this 1956 John McCarthy Dartmouth conference. It's probably not well-known university in the US. Dartmouth, where John McCarthy was the father of AI. He called up a lot of people at that time, mathematicians, statisticians, I don't think so, they were programmers, and created a conference, and that was called Dartmouth Conference. Every artificial intelligence or machine learning you talk about as a field goes back to that particular conference, and they're all called as founding fathers of AI and all that. We leave it. The term machine learning was coined by Arthur Samuel of IBM, who's the person whose quote I said, if you're able to create, if you're able to make computers answer questions, if you haven't explicitly programmed them, that's machine learning. That goes to him. But there are multiple other things. From 1959, I'm jumping to 2017. I'm not covering all that, but I said in between a lot of work happened in your AI, which is your Google Maps, Google search and all that we're using. But those were all incremental development. There are every few years what is called as AI winter. People will invest a lot of money and say, oh, computers are going to come next year. We would have seen all the sci-fi movies and sci-fi books we would have written. By turn of 1980s, 90s, computers are going to do. None of that happened. We had winters of AI coming in and going. But all that kind of changed. I wouldn't say they were not effective. They were more evolutionary rather than revolutionary improvement. They were impacting our life, but not in a way that we all could really see it, touch and feel and all that stuff. But in 2017, Google wrote this paper, Attention is All You Need. And that's a very interestingly titled paper. The first time when I read it, attention is all you need. Yes, attention is all you need. I want your attention if I'm talking to you. You want my attention if you're talking to me. We all know attention is important. That's how we learn. Why is it that Google should write a paper in 2017? Attention is all you need.